Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got snow again, but that didn't stop me from finding another abandoned car. I'm almost at it. I'm getting out of the car to take a closer look. Looks like this is a real Spider-Man car. Unbelievable! Just check out this spider and the web. And the whole car is bright red overall, just like Spider-Man's suit. We'll take another look inside later, but for now, just checking the outside shows that the car got damaged in an accident. Maybe Spider-Man was chasing some criminals and knocked over a few obstacles. Whoa, there are some little jars with colorful liquids on the dashboard. I wonder what's in them. Let's take a look. Wait, is this the instructions for the web shooter? Whoa, and this is the official Miles Morales sticker. Crazy, this is a newspaper article from the Daily Bugle about superheroes. Here's another clipping. What? People are mad at Spider-Man? But he's a hero and the city's protector. Whoa, another gadget, a time bracelet. Wow, and these are the evil Goblin's grenades. Comment if you remember this villain. Let's see how this works. Okay, web cartridge goes here, and charge goes on the other side. And that's the kind of web that shoots out, so cool. Now I'll try shooting web from my hand. Oops, I should have just attached it to my hand. Oh well, later. Whoa, that's a lot of webbing here. Oh, and here's Spider-Man himself. Mr. Parker, you in there? So what's this? Without gloves, I definitely wouldn't touch it. Pure grossness. Another weird thing here. Why leave radioactive spider juice here? Who's gonna drink that? Why are you laughing? Another toxic tonic. Looks tasty. Just kidding, goodbye. Alright, let's get ready to restore the car. Yeah, the dashboard is totally wrecked and dusty. Spiders sure love messy spots. Nothing in the glove box, not even any spider sandwiches. Oh, I didn't notice this right away. It's Spider-Man's mask. What, and his iPhone? Well, the iPhone's really in bad shape. Alright, let's get started restoring this abandoned spider car. But before that, check if you've subscribed to the channel. It really matters to me. I dream of hitting 100,000 subscribers. Subscribe and leave comments about which other cool and interesting cars you'd like me to find. Let's see what's under the spider car's hood. Right away, you can see the fuel pump isn't connected to the carburetor. The spark plugs are out too. And there's no battery either. A hose is ripped off and just lying there. But at least there's fuel and the pump is working. So I'm attaching this hose to the carburetors. I'm putting this cable on the distributor cap. And the other end goes to the spark plug in the engine. Here are some more spark plugs. First, I'll just treat the spark plug sockets in the engine with some cleaner. Oops, went a little overboard. I'll clean it off with some snow. Let the cleaner do its job for now, and I'll go grab the battery. Battery goes in its compartment. Attaching the terminals right away. Just like that. The carburetor seems fine and even looks almost new. Let's try starting the engine. Nope, it still needs one more spark plug, but at least we have contact with all the other parts. Battery, starter, pump. Grabbing the tool. As usual, ratchet attachment. I'm going to screw the plugs into the cleaned sockets. All set. Guys, tell me, did you watch Spider-Man? Are you waiting for the new movie? What do you prefer, Spider-Man games, movies, or comics? How did you imagine the spider car? Checking the oil condition. Looks good. Putting the tools away. And I should add some fuel before the test drive. Wait a second, there's no gas tank. It's just the trunk inside. Some kind of prank? Where is it? Found it. Wow, what a situation. I should also fill the radiator with water. I'll get it from here. I guess Spider Car isn't picky about this. Pouring the water now. Oh, even overfilled it. Yep, it's spilling out. All right, let's move on. This stuff is called quick start. Basically, I'm spraying ether directly into the carburetor to make ignition easier. And now the engine started and is holding RPM. Perfect. Next, I need to pump up a tire. Taking out the compressor. Attaching it to the hose. Connecting the compressor to the battery. Hooking up the air hose extension. And starting to pump the tire. Enough! Something's hissing over there. Not great, but not critical. I'll just take the compressor off for now. Meanwhile, comment on which car restoration on this channel you like the most. Closing the hood. Quick reminder to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's finally take it for a spin. Check out the little spider on the steering wheel. I'll warm up the engine a bit and we're good to go. It's moving pretty briskly. The engine sound is a nice growl. Slipping a bit in this snowy field under summer tires in the slushy mud. Oops, stalled on one of the bumps. I'll start it again. Gave it some reverse. Now trying to move forward. Yeah, look at that wheel spin. Without Spider-Man's help, I won't get far from here. I think if all of you subscribe to the channel, the chances of meeting him go up. Let's take one last look at the restored Spider-Man car, and I'll say goodbye, guys. See you soon.